register and okay, pack leftover Krabby Patties. What's going on, everybody? Yeah, I am the Game Master, and today I am playing 3 a.m. at the Crusty Crab. This is a game made by Davemicrowavesgames, and I recorded this once on Bandicam, but I think this was kind of copyrighted. One of those videos that was copyright claim, and so pretty much therefore this game was deleted off my channel. So pretty much yeah. There wasn't just this game, but a couple other Dave Microwave games I put on my channel were also deleted as well. So yeah, but we're here to play this game, and so yeah, let's go ahead and start playing, shall we? New game. Oh, I'm playing as... This kind of reminds me of Crusty Crab Nightmares. What the freak? This to-do list. Gather all my money from the cash register and from me office egg. Pack the leftover Krabby Patties. Check the bathroom trash bin for any pennies. Lock up and leave. Okay, so... oh, okay, so this is my money here. Let's... Wait, press E to close barricade? Oh, okay. Alright. Oh no! Is the hash slinging slasher gonna come out? Oh dear. Hi! I guess I'll start collecting. When the lights start flickering, you must... Oh shoot. Can I run? Okay. By the barricade, office doors, the only way to escape him. Okay. Guess I'm gonna start looting. Okay, so from what I can see here, this is a SpongeBob. Oh, okay, taking money. Alright, objective complete. Okay, wait, what else? Register and okay, pack leftover Krabby Patties. Okay. Hi. Oh, who was that? Whoa, my God. Okay, so that's the hash slinging slasher. Okay, kind of scared me the first time I entered the kitchen and stuff. Okay, going back in. Okay, so maybe I should probably first take the register and then maybe take the money from my office then. Because then that's kind of like the way I probably could survive, I think. I'm not gonna go in through there. I'm going in through this way, so I can run away from him. So perhaps that way I can run away from him a lot easier. Wait, he's not there. Okay, he's gone. Okay, I heard that sound last second when I left. Okay, pack these. Come on, pack them. Come on. It's gonna kill me right about now. Leave. Okay, alright. So that's, so I collected the leftover Krabby Patties, and I collected over the money from the register, and from both register and Mr. Krabs' office. Next is check the bathroom trash for any pennies. Guess I'll do... Not right now. Wait, what? Wait, is that there? Oh, he was there. I'm surprised he didn't see me. Okay. So this is about some trash. Alright, searching. Oh dear, come on, 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 come on. Okay. Go run. Okay. Alright. Okay, leave, lock on and leave. Okay. Alright. I guess, alright, let's get out of here. Here, front door. What? I can't leave. Oh no. No. I can't leave. I can't. Where else do I got it? Hold on. Okay. Well, it's nothing in there, because I already clicked the leftover repair base. Is that something in the safe? No. Oh, I can turn my flashlight. Oh, what's that? Into the basement? What? The key is somewhere in the basement, you must find it? Good to know. Well, I have to be dodging some... Hello? What? Let's see, buddy. Oh! What's that? Is that it? The key. Okay. You found the key. Now get... Okay, so I'm in the basement. Oh, there's a ladder. Get me out of here. Okay, okay, I'm just gonna make a run from the front door. Go, go, go! You have the key. Now go outside and lock up. Go, go, go! Okay. Lock up the key. Okay. Alright, gotta go, gotta go, 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 go! Huh. What? Uh-oh. There's a visible wall in my way. Open forever? Please. This place wasn't even run over 24 hours a day. Okay, so it looks like I can go around the side which shows the inside of the Crusty Crab. Oh. I don't know what that's for. What the frick was that? Nosferatu!
Nosferatu!
Okay, I don't know. I'm out of the Krusty Crab. What do I... Shouldn't this game be ending by now? I don't know where to go. I can't leave. It says lock up. We actually got a nice built-in road over here. Surprised though it's actually different from the SpongeBob series, actually. Hang on, I see a boat right here. Is this where I need to get into? Odd, I can't seem to get in. Hello? Why? Do I need to get back inside? No, wait, why would I want to do that? Wait. Oh, press left mouse. I didn't lock the door. Now get in the boat, and now get to the boat and escape. Oh, okay. I was kind of wondering why it wasn't letting me go. But I get it. Uh-oh. For the Slinging slasher, you escaped for now. Okay, so I guess that was... Wait, endless mode? What is this? Survive as many nights as you can? Survive as many nights? Doing what? Broken bit. Oh, I don't like the sound of that. Objective is complete. These bears are broken? Freak. Okay, this is like the same. Hello? Okay, I guess I'm just gonna continue all this again. Run back. Go, 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 go. Okay. So, is it just with the hashtag and slasher, or is it with someone else? Because, I mean, I don't know who else is going to be coming into the mix. Because, I mean, I don't know, like, really what endless mode it is. Whoa! Oh! Wait, was that a thing? Wait, what? What, how this happened? Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that. I'm packing. Okay. Come on, pack it. Hurry. Oh my god, dude, this like takes so long. Nope, getting out of here. Leaving. Oh shoot. No, go! Ah! Okay, he can... He can open doors. I can see why the barriers are broken. Oh, jeez. It kind of makes sense why you need the barriers, because if the barriers were broken, you can't defend yourself. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, that's where I'm going to end the video there. This was, 3 a.m. at the Crusty Crab, made by Davemicrowavesgames. Trust me, there isn't just going to be this game. There's also going to be, like, other, like, SpongeBob games, which reminds me, I also forgot to say, this is also a SpongeBob horror game. I don't know why I didn't say that before. But, yeah, this was a SpongeBob horror game, and it looks like, by the judging with the crab hand, we were playing as Mr. Krabs. And so, but yeah, this game wasn't the only one that got deleted off my channel due to copyright claim. There's also been other ones which I'll be putting back on my channel maybe sometime soon. In the meantime, 3 a.m. with the Crusty Crab is the first one, so yeah, we'll be going along the Dave Microwave's path, I guess. So yeah. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like on this video. Make sure to subscribe to me for games like this. Be awesome, stay awesome. I am the Game Master. And as always, oh, wait, hang on. Kitty Pal, I love you, rest in... Okay, why do I keep pretending to do my son, then... Okay. Kitty Pal, I love you, rest in peace. As always, I'm Game Master, and as always, I will see you all in the next video.